It's finally August again, marking the beginning of another academic year where students would be experiencing new difficulties, challenges, creating new memories, and of course, conflict between peers. Since it's the very first day of school, the majority do not know each other, creating awkward silence between seatmates. Conveniently enough, a handful of them had already known each other since the previous school year, easing the nervousness of some students knowing they have company in a class full of new faces.
Hey, girl with the brown bag, you're new, aren't you?
Me?
That's right. By the way, my name is Charm.
You've got such a lovely name, Charm. Also, my name's Kimberly, but you can call me Kim.
Oh, Kimberly. It suits you. Such a classy name. And you look the part too.
Some students felt on edge as they knew what was coming. The good old, please introduce yourself to the class, a frivolous matter, yet it still makes nearly every student's thoughts race.
Is that Twilight? Oh yeah, it is. How did you know? I've read that book before. It's really good, and it's get even better after that arc.
Oh, really? I heard it contains like the biggest plot twist too, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Oh.
Yeah, it is. But I won't tell you since it will ruin the fun for you.
It's okay. I prefer no spoilers anyway. By the way, what's your name? I'm glad to know someone who likes the same stuff as I do.
Oh, my name's Kimberly.
Oh, I see. That's nice. After that part where
Hey guys, what are you guys talking about?
we were just talking about the novel I just finished reading. Why?
Do you want to eat another one after class?
Are you with Charm? If she's with you, then I'll go.
Yeah.
What about you, Sahara?
Yeah, sure. I'm really hungry.
Okay, see you guys later.
Alright, class dismissed. You may go now.
Sir Gabriel.
Stop, let's go.
Hey, yes, wait. I just fixed my stuff.
Let's wait for him.
Hi! Are you guys done?
Yes, let's go.
Hi, I'm Charm. I think you know something.
By the way, I learned Julian and this is Sahara. Kimberly is
You guys, let's go with that.
Oh, sure. I'm really happy. That's great then. Let's go. Let's go.
The ice barrier between them will eventually melt down with the warmth of bonding, or perhaps continue to grow thicker and colder.
So guys, thanks for Sarah is still praying.
So what's your question again, Vito?
Oh, I was talking about Halloween. Oh, I'm planning to buy my costume this Saturday.
Same. Me, I already have a costume.
I don't have one yet.
Oh, what about you, Sahara?
I'm thinking about it.
You should come. It will be fun. What about you, friend?
I don't think I'll go.
Why not?
It's not allowed in my religion.
Oh, you're not Catholic?
I follow Church of Christ.
It was obvious to her what had just happened. The sudden change in their body language said it all. She felt uneasy. It was almost suffocating. She wanted out of this situation immediately.
You know, sometimes I forget that not everyone is Christianity's option. Like, what even is the Church of Christ? Just say you're Christian. It's just a cult imitating Christianity.
There's Islam too. It looks so strict and controlling. Sarah's definitely Muslim. She's gonna be forced to cover up eventually.
Right. So weird, isn't it? They're basically blasphemous.
From then on, Kimberly avoided hanging out with the group, afraid the others would see her as a sitting toy duck for gossip.
That's not me. I go
So weird, isn't it? They're basically blasphemous.
where I please. I walk through walls. I float down the living. I'm not here. This isn't happening. I'm not here.
Kimberly walks home. The gossip about her still lingers heavy in her heart. She couldn't fathom why some people would talk behind her back just because of her religion.
Kimberly! Oh, hi, you two.
Hi, I thought Sahara invited you over to your place after class.
I declined your offer. I have stuff to do at home. What about you guys?
Oh, well, I have an assignment to do at home.
Yeah.
Also, I've noticed that you've been quite distant. Did something happen?
What? I'm just really busy lately.
No, that's not true. Something must have happened. You can tell me anything. You know?
Fine. I heard them talk about me behind my back.
What? Who did? And why?
I heard them pretty much gossiping about me, calling my religion the Church of Christ a cult, and they made some rude assumptions about Sahara's religion as well, all because we're not Christian.
I didn't know Brittany and Alexa were that kind of people. I'm so sorry I didn't notice much earlier, Kim. Does a month not isolating?
It's fine, really.
No way, that's fine. Either way, we're here for you and we want you to be better because of your religion. And you have the right to your own will without feeling unsafe.
Thank you, too. I feel redeemed.
Brittany, Alexa, can I talk to you guys for a minute?
Yeah, why? What's wrong?
Are you guys aware of what you did?
Huh? What are you talking about?
A while ago, Kimberly overheard you two apparently have said some weird assumption not just about Kimberly but also Sahara's religion. Is that right?
rude? How? We were just sharing our opinion.
Don't try to deflect the situation. You know the details already.
Okay, we talked about that, but it's true. The only absolute religion is Christianity. To believe in any other is just straight up blasphemy.
Everyone has a different beliefs, coming from different cultures, and we have to respect that. It's a basic teaching in the Bible, you know.
Okay, we'll keep that in mind. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Don't apologize to me. Apologize to Kimberly and Sarah. And next time, have some decorum.
Have dust on my pizza.
Every individual has the right to have their own belief. We may not fully understand the beliefs of others and create false assumptions that leads to misunderstanding. But by embracing, understanding, and learning about different faiths and respecting it, we create a respectful society.